Let's solve one previous question of combinatorics. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 3 question number 5. The number of 4-digit numbers having their digits in non-decreasing order from left to right constructed by using the digit belonging to set 1 to 3 is dash. So it is asking how many 4-digit numbers possible which are in non-decreasing order by using the number 1, 2, 3. So by using 3, just one 4-digit possible, it's 3, 3, 3, 3. Non-decreasing means it can be increasing or equal. By using just 2 and 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. So by using 2 and 3, 3 numbers are possible. So in such a way, by using 1 and 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, triple 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3. So 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, then 1, 1, 1, 3. Then by using 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, then 1, 1, 2, 3. Then by using just 1 and 2, 1, 3, 2, double 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, and just using 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So how many such numbers are possible? 15 such numbers are possible using 1, 2, 3 which are in non-decreasing order. Means it can be in increasing order or equals to. So it can be less than or equals to, but it's not been decreasing order, right? So this is one way of solving. Another way, cell of ij is starting with I and having j digits. We can use a relation formula like Cij equals to summation of k equals to 1 to j, Ck j minus 1, and we can construct a table. Here 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. Here starting from 3, starting from 2, starting from 1. Now starting from 3, 1 digit, just 3, 2 digit, 3, 3, 3 digit, 3, 3, 3, 4 digit, 3, 3, 3, 3. So how many numbers are possible? Just 1. So starting with 3, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, all are 1. And starting from 2, 1 digit, just 2. Starting from 1, 1 digit, just 1. So here these all will be 1. So first we'll fill this 1. Next starting from 2, 2 digit. There are 2 numbers, right? 1 plus 1, it's 2. 2, 3 or 2, 2. There are 2 numbers. Then starting from 2, 3 digit. 2 plus 1, it's 3. So it can be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3. There are 3 numbers. Then starting from 2, 4 digits. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. So starting from 2, there are 4 digit numbers which use 2 and 3 only. The numbers which are starting from 2, that cannot use 1 as it should be in non-decreasing order. Next starting from 1 digit is just 1, 2 digit will be 3, 1 plus 2, it's 3, then 3 digit it will be 6, 3 plus 3 it's 6, then 4 digit it will be 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, now you can see starting from 3 there is just one number, 3, 3, 3, 3. Starting from 2 there are 4 numbers. Then starting from 1 there are 10 numbers. All these numbers are starting from 1. So total 4 digit numbers which can use 1, 2, 3 and are in non-decreasing order are 1 plus 4 plus 10. So it's 15. There are 15 4 digit numbers which are in non-decreasing order using 1, 2, 3. Answer will be 15. You can do in both way, either this way or this way. You will get the same answer. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.